Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. I have got the pound dollar with me right here, and okay, there are a couple of things that I am seeing here. Right, we have price trading lower. Right, we could say, right, we were in a downtrend there. Our institutional order flow was bearish. Right, what do I mean by that? You can see how price goes to trade the bearish order block right in there before going to take out sell side liquidity. They come back, they do the same thing in here, except they don't go all the way high here. Right, they just aim to close the lower fair value gap in here, and then they trade lower, right, to close the fair value. To take out the sell stops in here. They come, they do the same thing. They trade the bearish order block, right, to take out sell stops as well in here. Right, so basically what this was telling me is, right, in this zone right there, price was clearly in a downtrend, and the reverse only came after they took out this major swing low, and then they go on to break market structure. Right, on the upside, they come, close the fair value gap in here, right, take out sell stops right there, and then they start trading high, right, coming back into the order block, take out buy stops, coming back into the order block, right, take out buy stops, coming back into the order block, take out buy stops as well, until we got this, right. So this is not just a random trade, right? If we can take a look here as well, we can see how we had a fair value gap that we were going to trade up to. We traded up to that fair value gap. We did not close it completely on the first run. We came to take out sell stops right there, and then they traded higher. And then subsequently from there, they started to trade lower, breaking market structure right here. And then now we have had price trade back into this bearish order block right there. Right, so this is what we can see right from the H4 perspective. Right, let me just clear all this. Right. So since we are in this zone where we have just traded the bearish order block in here, right, we have gone on to break market structure, right, thereby trading lower. And for this coming week, I am going to be watching how they trade when they trade back into this last up close candle right before we broke market structure, which is this huge green candle. Right, so I'm going to be monitoring how they behave right once they get into this zone. Right, so this is going to be my sell entry zone, and I will only get into the trade after I witness or see some form of market structure break on the lower time frame, right, H1 preferably, and also on this time frame as well. That could do, right. And the lower time frame, right, the lower the time frame you go, you're going to have to decrease your risk as well, because the tighter the stop losses are and the volatile the time frames are. All right, so in here I will only get into this trade provided I do get a market structure break like so, and putting my stop loss just above here. I will be looking to enter and exit on all areas, right, of sell side liquidity, right, starting with this guy right there, and hopefully that we can trade lower into that area as well. And anything lower than the 1.19300 level is going to be bonus on table. Right, so this is what your chart is going to be looking like. So remember to only get into this trade if you get a form of market structure break in here. Do not enter if you don't see any of this, because price might want to continue with this. I'm not sure if you can also, but with this ride going up, right? So price might be looking forward to do something like that and then continue going high. So we will only get into this trade provided we get market structure break on this time frame and H1 time frame preferably, though you can use all time frames going down to the M1 time frame. So this is what I have for you guys on cable for this coming week.